Hello, today we're going to import a PowerShell module into our Azure Automation account. This can be done one of several ways, and I'll show you how to import a module via the Azure Portal, the PowerShell Gallery, and via PowerShell itself. To get started, you will need an Azure Automation account in your Azure subscription. In the portal, we'll open our Azure Automation account and then navigate to the Shared Resources section. Shared Resources are items that Azure Automation can utilize for automation runbooks and desired state configuration. Shared resources are things like credentials, connections, certificates, stored variables, and in our case, modules. In the modules, you can see all of the PowerShell modules that are available to your Azure Automation account that you can call from your various runbooks or desired state configurations. We can simply add a module by clicking Add a Module and selecting a .zip formatted PowerShell module. This will begin an import process and will make it available for your other runbooks or desired state configurations. You can also browse to the PowerShell Gallery simply by clicking Browse Gallery and see all available modules directly in the PowerShell Gallery without having to leave the Azure portal. Here we'll look for SharePoint, and you can see all the available modules there. We can select the module here in the gallery, see what commandlets are available, and see versioning information. This is also where you would import the module. If you prefer to look in the PowerShell Gallery itself, you could visit the PowerShell Gallery, search for a package that you're looking for. We'll narrow it down to modules, and you can see the same modules that are available. We'll bring in this SharePoint DSC resource, and you can install that directly onto your local machine, or through Azure Automation, you can deploy it directly to Azure. After the authentication process, you'll get brought to an import section. Once you have authenticated to Azure from the PowerShell Gallery, you'll be able to import that module selected. You'll select which automation account you'd like to send it to, and any of the other available information. Lastly, bring in resources directly through PowerShell. You can use the command Import-AZAutomationModule, giving it your resource group name, your automation account name, the name of the module, and then a link to a URI or blob container with that .zip archived module stored. Run the command, and you'll begin importing that module. You can monitor that progress. Once the import is started, you can monitor the job in the Azure Portal or directly in PowerShell. And that's how we can import a custom module into Azure Automation. Good luck, and keep scripting.